Hello, this is VO1 DFC here. Just doing a test video with my new camera there. The other one, if you see my last video, was going having the fits there. So I said I'll do this test video on my compressor that I'm using. It's a MotoMaster compressor. 2.5 gallon tanks, so that's 5 gallons. Haven't used it that much. This is what I've been spraying my model with. Has a nice layout. I like the way the gauges are and where they're positioned. It has two lines. You can have two lines hooked up to it 2 times. Yeah, I'll try to. Yeah, okay. Yeah, have it up 2 times. Anyway, this side, by looking at this side, you can see there's the motor and the compressor. There's the 2 tanks. There's my cat, and right there is your fluid level for your oil. You got to change that pretty regular. A lot of people have been having problems with this particular model if you go to the Canadian Tire site, and saying that it seizes up and doesn't last long. But I think maybe it's because you don't change, because the person probably never changed the oil enough. And if that be the case, then that's probably why never had much, or people haven't had much luck with it. There's another view of the engine and compressor, or the motor and compressor valve underneath where the gauges are. Auto on-off switch. But yeah, it does the job, and it's not that loud. Actually, it's pretty quiet. But yeah. Anyway, this is just a test video. I don't know how it's going to come out. Or I don't know if I'm going to edit it or just throw it up the way it is. I'll have to go and wait and see. Let's see if I can get a close-up of the gauge cluster. Yeah. Regulator, air out, tank pressure, and number 1, number 2 line. MotoMaster since 1933. Anyway, so there we go. Anyway, please rate and subscribe. Thank you.